Microsoft 365 is your all-in-one tool for work and play. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. It's cloud-based so you can access your files from anywhere, collaborate in real time with friends or coworkers. Plus, OneDrive lets you easily store and share files. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use Microsoft 365.com. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Microsoft 365.com. Then you will find the homepage and then you click over sign in and you'll find this page. As you can see, you click over create one and then you'll find here this page, create an account, and you have just to add your email address and you click over next, and then you have just to create a password and verify your email if it's your email and you don't made a mistake. Right, so right now we have just to click over next once you're done, and then you'll find the home page as you can see. So right now let's know what is Microsoft 365 firstly. So Microsoft is a cloud-based platform with tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It lets you create, share, and collaborate on documents from anywhere. Everything sent it is across devices, so you are always up to date. It's perfect for work, school, or personal projects as well. Alright? Alright, so firstly in the top left you will find here one thing that's important. For example, we have application launcher. Once you click over it, you will find here the application that provides this platform, which is Microsoft 365. We have here Outlook, OneDrive, CloudTemp, Designer, Forms, OneNote, then we have PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Calendar. So you have just to click over here and you select the one you want on the research on Microsoft. Right, so let's just discover in here firstly in the top. For example, let's discover Outlook, OneDrive. So let's just click it right now for create, and you'll find here the platform that provide this one, so like this one. Right, so also we have here my content. So about this one we have here for a share attachment, for upload something, and that's it. You have application here and you have your Word, Excel, and other things. So let's just click over create right now and let's discover in one by one. Firstly, we have your Word, and above you'll find here for document and the PowerPoint for presentation, Excel for workbook, we have forms for forms again for quiz, we have lists for list, then we have here designer for design, and then we have also here club champ for video and sway for sway again. Right, so here we have how it looks for here document. You have just to click over here and you select the designer that you want. We have here previously some results here. For example, we have if it's related to the resume, letter, then cover letter, general, then we have to do list, report, notes taken, journal, then we have invoice, article, and other things. Or you can just start from scratch and you add whatever you want here. For example, you start to copy something and paste it here. You start here adding whatever you want. We have also here other options that could help you to modify, for example, about the size. Here we have the color, and we have here for a bold, italic, underline, and the color of here the text, and then we have also here palette and the various things such as, for example, here for a title or for a hidden one, hidden to subtitle, and we have similar style, quite new style from sections. So that's it for Word, and right now let's here move into the PowerPoint. It's for presentation, right? So let's also discover Excel and let's discover design, and that's it. So because we have here various application, so I just show you what's the specific things that provide this application, which is Microsoft 365. You will find the various things that related to Microsoft, as we know, for example, Excel, Word, and something like that. And then you getting started if you don't have it on your personal computer. That's why I mentioned this platform. All right. So here we have PowerPoint how it looks. Here we have firstly in the left how much page that you want, and also we have here click to add a title, click to add a subtitle, and if you want to here add design, draw, insert, home, file, then we have here transitions, animations, slideshow, then we have review, view, help, ship, and we have various things. For example, we select here this platform if you wanted, and then you getting started with here PowerPoint for presentation, right? In the top right, we'll find here share. You click over it, then you share your template as you can see. Also, we have here if you want to edit and viewing, or here we have present as well. If you want to start from beginning, presenter view or research with code, and then we have comments. Also we have a catch up, and that's it for this one right now. Let's just move into the next one, because I will just here talk about Microsoft 365. If you want to hear a video talking for a specific one, you have just to write it down or type it down in the comment section below, and then you choose the one you want. And here we have only Microsoft. So in the comment, you have just to tell me what the specific platform that you want. If it's Word, I will make a video with Word explain step by step. Also, if you want PowerPoint, so you have just to type it down, right? So also we have here, for example, Excel. So this one you'll find at a page, which is this one, as you can see. So about this one, it's for scheduling. So you have just to link or complete the files by adding whatever you want. For example, you are a teacher, you have just to add, for example, name, and you add the name of your student. Then you add here and the top for the second one, or for the second columns, you add, for example, here note or marks, and then you add the marks. Then you have here the password for each one, and you add it, and then you add observation, and you add it. For example, you want, I will show you one specific things in this one. For example, we have here 2, and then we have 3. So all I have to do right now is just click over here if you want to hear the sum of this one. So you have just to click over here. So you have the auto sum, and you click over it, and you click over enter, and you find here 5, as you can see, right? So this is for this one right now, and let's move into the next one, which is design. As you can see, once you click over design, you find this page. Here we have here right now, and also we have here, for example, for a video clip champ if on its way as well. And when you want, you have just to get started. So about this one, it's just like, for example, Canva, but this one is for Microsoft, and you can just start it from the scratch by adding whatever you want and upload it from the media or upload it here. Or here we have, then if you want to add new design, if you want to upload from your device, this device, from phone, Google Drive, Dropbox, and upload the design pictures as well. And then if you want to here start adding template, which hosts text again, and also we have here print kit, right? So this is for Microsoft Designer, and also we have here video, as you can see. And so with Microsoft, you can staying organized, and collaborating has never been easier. Whether you are working on a project, sharing ideas, or just staying at home as well. So it's the all-in-one solution to help you get things done anytime and anywhere. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.